well, here's part 2 of the Mercury Mark 10 outboard motor. So the free one, free is free, and I have no idea on what the condition of this thing is, other than by what it looks like right now. First thing, I'm going to try to get this hood off of here. Okay. That could be the first issue. Trying to get the hood off. There we go. All right. Got to be a little aggressive with it. So that's something that's going to have to be addressed. Huh, okay. A little slow on the return there. So it's going to need a little grease. A little bit of chewing going on there. Not bad though. Fix that up. Yeah. All right. I was wondering how that came off with the I was wondering how that would come off with the pole on there, and the whole thing just comes away. So when you put the hood on, it goes right on this. Pretty good design. These pins are uneven, so that explains why there's a little issue there. So they tap that back in so it's even. Probably the same on the other side. Not as bad, but yeah, it needs to come over a little bit. Interesting. Huh. Oh, 2-cylinder. Okay. M45 Marine spark plugs. Interesting. This one here, what the heck? Well, it needs a new boot. Yeah, that would be shockingly having it like this, with the wire just kind of connected to it like that. I guess for testing purposes, to see if it's got spark and that kind of stuff, I guess we'll figure that out. Wow. Yeah, that would be kind of a issue there, I would say. Yeah. Oh, we can get a boot for it. That's for sure. Put that together. Huh. A little rusting going on a little bit. Yeah, there's a pull that off and pull that off. There we go. should be neutral. Well, it turns over. Okay. So it's not locked up, so that's good. I turned this already a little bit, so it's free now. So, and it's solid. You know, the bushings are still good on the swivel, so that's good. I don't know why it's tilted out so far. I don't know if I've seen a couple videos already and it looks like that's it, you know. Looks like it's supposed to be tilted like that. This thing here, we can get this off and we can get a handle for this. And from what I researched, the handle does the same thing as this. It puts it in gear, forward, neutral, reverse, and you give it more turn on the reverse or more turn on the forward, and you get your throttle. So it's like an automatic, they call it an automatic transmission for this thing. It was one of something that Mercury came up with, and I think it's a pretty good idea, actually. So yeah, there's that. Not too good there. So yeah, a little surface rust on the bolts. Paint's still good on the thing, you know, as far as the engine goes. Over here, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Rocket trademark. Rocket. Some kind of, I don't know what rocket means. It has serial numbers everywhere on this thing. Not sure what this thing is in there. Almost looked like some kind of solenoid or something. Huh. Yeah, not sure about that. Ah, there we go. Serial number. Made in Wisconsin. Troll. So that's the troll position. Run. Got to have that straight out to start it. And what's this over here? Oh, start. You have to have it all the way over. And then run is straight out. And serial number, let me get a picture of this. I can verify the year. I'm pretty sure it's a 57, but let's take a picture of it here. Serial number 106-14-45, Wisconsin. Yeah, open tank and vent, and fuel line, hand pump, and carburetor. Set trolling lever to start position, and twist grip handle, which we don't really have one right now, to neutral position. So that would be this thing here. And motor is cold. Open the choke. And yeah. Okay. All right, there we go. So that's kind of a review of the thing. So we'll pull this up online and see the serial number, verify the year. All right. Well, I guess the next step, that's what you guys are probably wondering what I'm going to do next with this. I kind of like to pressure wash it off first. So I think that's the next step, is we'll cover the carburetor and just pressure wash the thing. All right, well, let's get this thing pressure washed. Alrighty. Well, let's get the paper towel out of the carburetor throat so it can dry out. There we go. Yeah, I just had to put something in there to keep it from getting water in there. Looks pretty clean. I have to let it sit here in the sun and dry off. Yeah. Use a blower to blow the remaining water out of there so it can dry. Alright, yeah, looks pretty good, at least to work on now.